concrete, nothing more. Moonlight bends, it doesn't break. The silence hums, my heart aches. Oh, the lonely night, it sings to me, a chant of what will never be. Oh, the lonely night, it holds me tight, a dance of whispers in the pale moonlight. Clock ticks slow, then not at all. The air grows heavy, I hear it call. A song of stars that lost their shine. A melody wrapped in crooked time. Every echo, every sight, every shadow asking why. Oh, the lonely night, it sings to me, a chant of what will never be. Oh, the lonely night, it holds me tight, a dance of whispers in the pale moonlight.
Shadows grip the edge of my soul. I try to fight, but they take their toll. The mirror cracks with every step I take. Every move feels like a mistake, but I'm dancing through pain, spinning in the rain, breaking the chains again and again. Every scar's a rhythm, every tear's a beat, dancing through pain till I'm on my feet. My love, on my feet. My love. Whispers crawl like spiders in my head. Lies that linger from the words they said. But I'm a fire you can't put out, burning bright through the darkest hour. I won't fall, I won't fade. I'll turn the hurt into a parade. 'Cause I'm dancing through pain, spinning in the rain, breaking the chains again and again. Every scar's a rhythm, every tear's a beat. Dancing through pain till I'm on my feet. Step by step I find the light, twisting shadows into flight. Every bruise a melody, a song of who I'm meant to be.
I hear the beat, the shadows sway, lost in the dark, can't find my way. Whispers calling, calling my name. Broken soul, but I play the game. What else to do? empty sky, I wander slow. The wind, it whispers things I'll never know. Shadows stretch long, they don't say goodbye. I walk and I walk till my shoes run dry under the empty sky. No reason, no rhyme, no why. I'm searching for something I can't define. Under the empty sky. The trees stand still like they're holding their breath. Each step feels closer to life or to death. A crow calls out, but I don't reply. I keep on moving under the empty sky. The stars won't answer. The moon just stares under the empty sky. No reason, no rhyme, no why. I'm searching for something I can't define. Under the empty sky. Maybe the sky's not empty at all. Maybe it's waiting for me to fall. Maybe it's laughing, maybe it cries, or maybe it's hollow, just like my life. The shadows stretch long, like whispers they croon. The night breeze secrets, it won't give too soon. A silver pool glow, where the stars meet the doom. I'm fading under the moon. Fading under the moon tonight, lost in this cold and borrowed light. Fading under the moon tonight. Where do I end? Where does it bite? Footsteps dissolve where the dew starts to bloom. My thoughts unravel like threads from a loom. The air hums low, a celestial tune. I'm fading under the moon. Every beat feels like a touch too late. Every shadow holds a twist of fate. lost in its cold and borrowed light, fading under the moon tonight. Where do I end? Where does it bite? What if the moon forgets my name? What if the stars all play their game? Drifting apart like a ship on a tide. No anchor, no harbor, no place to hide. The night is breathing heavy, slow and deep. Street lights flicker in their restless sleep. A whisper crawls where silence used to creep. Can you feel it? Can you feel it now? A rhythm pounding under the vow of every shadow that won't allow. Beating shadows, it calls my name. A pulse in the dark, playing a dangerous game. Echoes of secrets, they all sound the same. Footsteps vanish like smoke in the haze. The moon's a ghost with a haunting gaze. I chase the rhythm through a twisted maze. Can you hear it? Can you hear it still? The tempo rises, bending the will of every quiet the void won't fill. Heartbeat in shadows, it calls my name. A pulse in the dark, playing a dangerous game. Echoes of secrets, they all sound the same. does not speak. I hear the hum. It's under my skin. Where do I end? Where do I begin? The silence between beats, it screams so loud. A hidden rhythm wrapped in a shroud. It's the space that holds the sound, the space that holds me. The silence between beats, it sets me free. Footsteps fall but leave no trace. A mirrored world, an empty face. The walls lean in, the ceiling sighs. I blink once and time rewinds. Do you feel it crawl through the static wall? The silence between beats, it screams so loud. A hidden rhythm wrapped in a shroud. It's the space that holds the sound, the space that holds me. The silence between beats, it sets me free. A whisper's wait, a heavy ache, a breath held tight, a glass that breaks each pause. A universe untold and vast, each beat a future, each silence a